I'm Goose.
I am Logan.
And we're at Frugatti'S. So we are at Frugatti'S Italian restaurant. Real Italian by Italians. They've got not just Logan here. Hey, we got Maddie's over here. Al.
Sorry.
Tyler's over here.
My
chairs.
My chair is like yeah, way too wobbly.
So we're gonna look over the menu, we're gonna get some food, and we're gonna dig into some Italian food. So our waiter just came by and dropped off some bread. Look at that bread. Rolls. They're all like, and they're all like tack. It's like tack of the bread. But they also dropped off a plate full of olive oil to dip our bread into. So this is pretty cool. Why don't you go ahead and try that?
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, always good. Good?
This bread is really warm. and it feels good in my hands.
And dip some of my bread into this olive oil. This looks good. Look at that.
Just the bread feel good in your hands too.
Oh, it does. It's really good. I'm gonna double dip. So we just ordered our food. We actually decided we're gonna get a pizza for the whole table, and then we each ordered a different plate for for what we get. So hopefully when it gets here we'll have a chance. But right now we're just kind of kicking back, enjoying our drinks. What do you think so far?
It's nice.
The bread was good.
The bread was delicious. It had this little olive oil to go with it. That was interesting. Usually I have bread with butter, not olive oil. So yeah.
Oh, bread with olive oil was delicious. Have you ever tried it?
The bread was warm.
So we got a pizza for the table for us to share. It is applewood smoked bacon, artichokes, and basil. I think tomato basil, and it looks really good. This is what we're gonna share. And then we got some other plates that we have coming for us to eat. But right now we're gonna dig into this. So who's first? Who wants to get first?
Oh.
Yeah.
Hold on, Tyler. Hold on. Ah, this is. Well, okay.
All right. This pizza is really good. I mean, it's nice and cheesy. You really taste the bacon and the tomatoes. What do you think? I mean, Logan's got. I want to say he's the pizza king over here. It's good. Go around the table. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Good. We're gonna figure out. We're gonna fight to the death for these last two. So we'll figure out who gets these. But this is really good. This is a really good pizza. And they have several different pizzas that they serve here, so it's just nice for us to be able to have this and share it for the table. We'll be right back. We're gonna finish this off. You can see we polished off that pizza. It was really good. Logan's over here dipping his crust into the olive oil, and then Maddie put her crust in. What was that called? The oil?
Balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic oil. Balsamic vinegar oil, something like that. It's really good.
Balsamic vinegar.
They were telling us that the people use it to dip their bread in. So
It's like they mix it in the oil. So something we just same.
And Master over here got her salad that comes with the king with her sandwich. Yeah, she got a meatball sandwich. So she got the privilege of getting a salad. We all thought it was gonna be like a little dinky house salad. That's a pretty big salad. So our food finally came to the table. Logan got a
garlic chicken fettuccine.
And that looks delicious.
Oh, it does.
Madison over here she got a meatball sub, a meatball sandwich. That thing looks delicious. Tyler over here, of course, got
an Americano burger.
Americano burger.
It looks so good.
The Burger King got another burger. And I got something I have a hard time pronouncing. I usually like beef bolognese or beef something. I cannot pronounce it, but this is delicious. You can see this is just big, you know, serving of just beef and with fettuccine, and I'm gonna love this. So we'll be right back. So I finally figured out what the name of this is called. Beef braccioli. That's about the best way I can pronounce it. And it's like thin strips of beef. They're all rolled up. This is delicious. I get this almost every time I come here. And you can see it's in the fettuccine is really good. You got sausages all along with this pasta. It's really good. How's your chicken? Garlic chicken. Yeah, there's that face.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Oh yeah.
Here comes this food coming.
And the almonds on it are really interesting. I don't usually have almonds on pasta, but it's nice to like garnish or whatever. It's delicious.
Look at that. Oh Lord, that looks so good. I'm gonna go over here. Tyler, how's your hamburger?
Amazing. It's really juicy. Like really good.
And that's on a brioche bun, right?
Yeah.
That looks really good. That looks at least a quarter pound of beef there. That's really good.
And these potatoes are nice and soft.
Oh, that's good.
They're really good.
And you got the potatoes you got. They're the cut potatoes.
Yeah. Instead of the straight cut kind.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna get Madison over their mouthful of sandwich. She's trying to get me.
I didn't get any meat wrong.
I'll get back to her in a minute. Well, you can see I'm about halfway through my beef braccioli. It's really good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it. It's just a lot of food here, and it's just, you know, we'll see. I mean, it's just delicious, but I just don't want to. You know, it's just really good. But it's a lot of food, and I just don't know if I can be able to eat it all. Logan over here is almost done.
With the garlic chicken fettuccine, and it's delicious.
Yeah, I can see that coma just starting to set in.
Oh, yeah.
Madison's finally got a couple bites out of her meatball sandwich. What do you think?
It's good. It's just a lot.
It's just a lot of food. Yeah. And Tyler's over here. He finished his hamburger. He's on his potatoes.
And just the potatoes in the burger were really good.
Really good.
They're amazing.
Well, we're going to continue to try to get through this, but right now, I don't think we're getting dessert because we're full.
That food was
full.
amazing.
That food was incredible.
The pizza and the pasta and the bread.
It's so good. We're talking over each other.
Yeah.
I mean, and the food here is always good.
Oh yeah. It's like, sure, it might be a little pricey, but it's like $20 and you get like ginormous things.
I mean, huge servings for $20. I mean, I think for the four of us, I think it came out with tip and everything like $130.
It's about $30 each.
But the food is so good, and we got pizza. We all got like sandwiches, and burgers, and pastas. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to come back here again and eat. And Ralph Frugatti'S is the owner here. He does a great job. Matter of fact, I hear that Frugatti'S is one of, if not the top Italian restaurant in Southern California.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, makes sense after eating that food.
Yeah, I mean, it's just delicious. And they even got a little health menu here for those who are like a little health conscious, watching their weight, kind of like watching their cholesterol. Me, not so much. But
none of us really are.
But it was delicious. It was good. All of us at the table loved it.
Oh yeah.
We can't wait to come back. That being said, Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where would they go?
You can find us over on Spotify, SoundCloud, and iHeartRadio at Robert Goose Car. We can find our two podcasts, On With Show and Wrestling Boys, about entertainment and pro wrestling respectively. And if you want to contact us for those, you can find us over on Twitter at On With Show 3 and Wrestling Boys 2. And we have a Twitter for Travel by Nature, that is Travel by Nature, spelled the exact same way as it is here on YouTube. And we have an Instagram for Travel by Nature, that is Travel by Nature _IG.
Yeah, we're having a lot of fun bringing you with us, eating some food, having a good time. If they want to help out the channel, what would they do?
You can hit the like button, subscribe, and share to your friends.
Share to your friends. Like the video, makes us smile. That being said, I am Goose.
I am Logan.
This is Travel by Nature from Frugatti'S Italian Restaurant. Thanks for watching.